Hi, today we're going to review this Mythos Tarot Mythos Tarot Guidance from Greek Gods by Helena Elias. The price is $19.47. In peso, it's just 1,168 pesos, 0.20. So, ang tagal ko na itong hinahanap, no? Nakakita ko na ito sa Lazada. It cost 3,000. Ang mahal. So, ayun. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng box niya. Hindi siya pang, 1,147, no? Ayun, no? Let's see. Ang kapal ng book. Ito yung book. Back of the book. Let's see. Oh. May introduction siya. May card spread. Alright, may ano siya. May reverse and upright meaning. Ang ganda ng quality ng book. Hindi tinipid. Naka-sale lang siya, ha. Hindi ko nga alam kung magkano talaga yung price. $29.95 siya. Pero naka-sale siya, kaya nakuha ko lang siya ng 1,100 plus. Ayan. 172 pages. Then, meron siyang pag ganito. Tingnan natin yung card. Gold gilded. Yung loob, ganyan lang siya. Balik natin. Ayan na. So, tingnan muna natin yung card. Gilid, gilded. Kaya kaya ayoko nung may mga gilded. Tingnan mo. Bago pa lang siya, meron na siyang gasgas na pa ganun. Gold gilded. Ayan, kita siya agad. Kaya hindi ako fan ng mga may gilded, Ayun. And then, reverse and upright, hindi siya halata. Hindi siya obvious. So, ito yung reverse. Ito may upright. Hindi siya obvious. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin for reverse and upright na hindi nahalata. Size, same lang siya ng mga regular tarot. Okay naman, pag ginrab mo lang siyang ganyan. Quality, madulas siya. Ayan, nadulas siya. So, madulas. Pero okay lang naman, kahit madulas siya. Check na natin, isa-isa. I-flip ko siya, lalagay ko siya dito. Pag mabilis, you can pause it. Okay? Ito yung the full. Puro tao naman to. Ang ganda ng images, diba? Look at the Empress. But I'm not sure why the Empress is crying. She's crying. The Emperor. Ang ganda ng niya, illustration niya. Ang ganda. The Strength. The Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, Hangman, Death, Thanos. Judgment. Two of Wands, Three of Wands, Four of Wands. Hindi ko siya marirecommend sa mga beginner, no? Six of Wands. Kasi more on faces siya eh. Dapat, kabisado mo na talaga yung meaning. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Pero maganda siya. Nine of Wands. Puro faces kasi eh. Ten of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. Ace of Coins pa pala na sumama. Ace of Coins. Two of Coins. Three of Coins. Four of Coins. Five of Coins. Six of Coins. Seven of Coins. Eight of Coins. 9, 10, Page, Knight, Queen, King, Ace, Two of Cups, 3, Four of Cups, Six of Cups, Seven of Cups. Ang ganda ng illustration din yan. Ten of Cups, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Cups, Ace of Swords, Two of Swords, Three of Swords, Four of Swords, Five of Swords, Six of Swords, Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords, Page of Swords, Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, and Uranus, King of Swords. So, try natin siya i-shuffle. Pagka ganito. Pag ganito. Okay naman. Suwabe lang. Pag ganito. So, hindi ko lang siya masasuggest kapag beginner ka. Kasi, more on, may faces lang siya eh. So, if you're beginner and you're intuitive tarot reader, I don't think na makaka-resonate ka kagad sa ganitong klaseng cards. So, hindi ko siya recommended sa mga beginner. Pero, ang ganda niya. Kaya talagang hinanap ko siya. Ayan. With the price of 1,100 plus. Dahil naka-sale siya. For me, it's 8 out of 10. Yung size niya, ano lang, talagang regular tarot. Okay, so, thank you for watching. If you want me to review some tarot, Lenormand, or oracles, comment it below, suggest it. So, if meron ako ditong available, i-review ko siya. If not, I'll try to find it, then let's review it. Alright? Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye!